The monthly child tax credit payments, which expired at the end of 2021, reverted to the old rules in 2022. This means that currently the maximum tax credit per child is $2,000. However, the American Family Act aims to make significant changes to this system. If passed, it will provide $250 per month for children aged 6 to 17, resulting in $500 per month for 2 children in this age range. This benefit will be in place until the children turns 18. The children under the age of 6, the monthly payment will be $300 per child, amounting to $600 per month for 2 children. The current rule allows a child tax credit of $2,000 per child per year for children age 16 and under. The American Family Act extends the qualifying age to 17 years old, allowing more children to qualify. As a result, the benefit amount increases for each child. For children aged 6 to 17, the yearly benefit will be $3,000 per child. And for children under 6, the yearly benefit will be $3,600 per child. This represents a higher amount compared to the current $2,000 per child. The proposed legislation also includes an additional baby bonus, providing a one-time payment for $2,000 for each newborn. In addition to the monthly payments, to qualify for the full benefits, married couples must have a combined income under $150,000 per year, and unmarried individuals must have an income under $112,500 per year. If the income exceeds this amount, the benefit will be reduced. However, the situation in Congress is complex and contentious. While Democrats support the monthly child tax credit payments, most Republicans do not. Some moderate Republicans may be open to the idea, but it remains a minority position. The Democrats believe that they can persuade enough Republicans to pass the bill, as they control the Senate while Republicans control the House. In negotiations over tax legislation, Republicans are seeking changes to benefit corporations. They aim to relax rules on interest deductions, bonus depreciation, and research and development expenses, ultimately reducing corporate taxes. The Democrats see these changes as an opportunity to bargain for their desired tax child credit payments. The estimated cost of the child tax credit payments is $105 billion per year, while the proposed corporate tax breaks sum up to about $68 billion per year. The Democrats argue that expanding business tax breaks without addressing the needs of American families is unfair. The children tax credit payments have been shown to significantly reduce child poverty when implemented, but the impact was lost when the payment expired in 2021. President Biden and other Democrats view this payment as a significant achievement in combating poverty. In conclusion, the American Family Act proposes substantial changes to the child tax credit system, increasing the benefit for families with children and extending the qualifying age to 17. However, its passage depends on negotiations in Congress, where Democrats are seeking to use it as leverage in discussions about corporate tax breaks. The fate of the bill remains uncertain, as Republicans are largely opposed to the monthly child tax credit payments. The Republicans' resistance to the monthly tax credit payments stems from their belief that such payments can lead to increased government spending and dependency. They argue that the focus should be on creating job opportunities and economic growth rather than relying on government assistance. They also express concerns about the potential impact on the national debt and the need for fiscal responsibility. On the other hand, Democrats view the child tax credit payments as a crucial tool for addressing income inequality and supporting struggling families. They argue that the payments provide much-needed financial support to low-income households, helping to lift children out of poverty and providing them with better opportunities for the future. Democrats emphasize the positive impact of the payments on reducing child poverty rates and improving the overall well-being of families. The ongoing negotiations between the two parties involves weighing the cost and benefits of the proposed changes, while the child tax credit payments come with a significant price tag. Supporters argue that the long-term benefits, such as reduced poverty and improved social mobility, outweigh the cost. However, opponents raise concerns about the financial implications and question the effectiveness of such payments in addressing underlying economic challenges. The outcome of these negotiations will depend on finding common ground and compromise between the two parties. Both sides recognize the importance of supporting families and stimulating economic growth, but they differ in their approaches and priorities. As the discussions continue, lawmakers will need to navigate the complexities of fiscal policy, social welfare, and political dynamics to reach a solution that benefits American families while addressing the concerns of fiscal responsibility. In addition to the policy and ideological differences, the negotiations surrounding the child tax credit payments are further complicated by the broader political landscape. With a divided Congress, both Democrats and Republicans understand the need for bipartisan support to pass any significant legislation. The Democrats are aware that they will require the support of some Republicans to achieve their goals, as they do not hold a filibuster-proof majority in the Senate. They are strategizing and making efforts to persuade moderate Republicans who may be more inclined to support the child tax credit payments. The Democrats believe that highlighting the positive impact of these payments on child poverty and economic stability will resonate with the public and potentially sway reluctant Republicans. On the other hand, Republicans face pressure from different factions within their party. While some moderate Republicans may be open to the idea of monthly child tax credit payments, there are significant opposition from more conservative members who view these payments as excessive government intervention and a potential burden on taxpayers. Republican lawmakers must navigate these internal divisions and consider the potential political consequences of their stance on the issue. Furthermore, the influence of lobbying groups and special interests adds another layer of complexity to the negotiations. Corporations and business organizations are actively lobbying for the corporate tax breaks that the Republicans are pushing for. Their financial resources and political influence makes them formidable players in the decision-making process, leading to intense debates and trade-offs in crafting and final legislation. As the negotiations continue, public opinion and advocacy groups will play a crucial role in shaping the discourse around the child tax credit payments. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you next time.